समाचार सेवा प्रभाग से प्रस्तुत है कार्यक्रम परिक्रमा।
नमस्कार। समाचार पत्रिका कार्यक्रम परिक्रमा में आप सभी का स्वागत है। हर रोज इस कार्यक्रम में हम आपके लिए लेकर आते हैं देश विदेश के समाचार। साथ ही देश भर में मौजूद हमारे संवाददाता अपनी विशेष रिपोर्ट के माध्यम से अलग अलग राज्यों की नवीनतम गतिविधियों और विकास की बातों की जानकारी देते हैं। बाजार और आर्थिक जगत की खबरों पर भी हमारी नजर रहती है। तो शुरू करते हैं आज का परिक्रमा कार्यक्रम। मैं हूं नईम अख्तर और मेरे साथ हैं आज अभिषेक मुखोपाध्याय।
Hello and a very good afternoon. Thank you for tuning into Parikrama. My name is Abhishek Mukhopadhyay and with me is my co-pilot Naeem Akhtar. Welcome to the program. For you today in the next half an hour, we have a selection of news, reports, capsules, business, tributes and much more. So we set the ball rolling with the news first. COVID-19 lockdown has been especially hard for the school-going children across the country. However, a 13-year-old boy from Manipur has shown that the lockdown period could be a perfect opportunity to unleash the creativity and explore innovative ways. The 9th standard student Baldeep Ningthaujam has developed a mobile game named Koroboy amid COVID-19 pandemic and lockdown, which became a popular Android-based game worldwide. The game, which was launched 3 days back in Google Play Store, has become one of the most popular search and downloaded games. More from a correspondent.
The theme of the game Koroboy is coronavirus and lockdown. According to the mobile game app, a boy from India named Koroboy is stranded and wants to return home. Wearing a cloth on his neck and a mask, he will run towards his goal, earning points during his journey. The game was launched on 21st of this month and more than 20,000 users had downloaded the game till yesterday. It has already made a record to become number 2 trending mobile game app in Google Play Store. Speaking to AIR News, Baldeep said that
I'm Baldeep Ningthaujam. I'm from Kanchipur, Imphal West district of Manipur. As the schools are closed during the lockdown, my uncle suggested me to make a game related to this pandemic instead of wasting my time. This game was developed in Unity and Blender and the programming was done in C#. And to my fellow students, I would like to ask them to utilize their time in a productive way.
The innovative way of this young boy has shown the nation that everyone can explore new ideas and engage in his own fashion while staying at home safely during the COVID-19. Stay home, stay safe. JJ Thokson, Imphal, AIR News.
अब वक्त तो चला है कि अनुमति ले ली जाए अपने श्रोताओं से।
So with that, it's time to wind up this edition of Parikrama. Thank you so much for being with us. So until the next time, this is Naeem Akhtar and me Abhishek Mukhopadhyay saying God bless and Namaskar.